A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. In the previous video, I did mention Goguti, the Department of Correctional Services was not transparent on why Batfolagalaba move Ket Matlala from Mampuro to La Paya Pela, a Supermax prison, eBongweni. So guys, good folagala Goguti Ket Matlala Pela back lape Mampuro Begasenama privileges landlulelago. Kashua go to this guy La Paya guys. Bekayiphinza futhi lento yakhe yokuthatha phela ama-officials awafake esikhwameni. Here's more info. Do share your views. Thank you.
Correctional Services may have lied about the real reason why they transferred Kat Matlala from Vusimuzi to CMAX in Kokstad. Now, Correctional Services had initially said that the move from Vusimuzi to KZN CMAX was just a routine move, right? It was standard procedure. Here's what seems to be the real reason, according to the Sunday Times, The Citizen, and other sources, right? Because you won't see this on TV. It's alleged that Kat had an inappropriate association with a senior official or a senior prison leader at Vusimuzi prison. Sources also say that many prison officials at Vusimuzi prison are actually from Mamelodi, the very same place where Kat Matlala grew up. So the allegation is that Kat was able to benefit from those associations. I get a kibom joint. So that's how he was able to bargain for favors, compromised supervision, you make me right, I make you right. But there is some funkiness about him being moved on or towards New Year's Eve when we were all away from media. Similar to what happened with the PKTT disbandment. I mean, it happened at a time when no one cared about news, right? And that's probably why a lot of people didn't ask questions. So my question is, why did it have to happen quietly? Because this is usually when there's a big story underneath it and it involves really big names. So apparently he was receiving an unusually high amount of visitors for a prisoner that was on remand, right? They also say that the legal visits from his legal team was also an avenue for his wife to see him more than usual. It is also alleged that he had a cell phone and was found with one and was communicating from inside of the prison, to the extent also that it is also alleged that he made some prison officials taste his food before he ate it out of fear that he was being poisoned. I mean, for me, this is a no-brainer. This is a big shot overlord in Pretoria who has admitted to having officials or having had officials in his pocket. So I am not expecting something different from his hometown, right? I'm talking officials, not just cops, but government officials, court officials, legal officials, medical officials who may affect the type of prison he may get, right? So they should have seen this coming.